Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Reate Knives Tribute here with me for a quick review. And please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what do we have here. We have a nice pouch. On this side you've got your velcroed patch. You have some silica gel, and you've got some extra hardware right over here. And what do you have? Yeah, you have your knife, which comes in a soft pouch, which is very, very interesting. And here you have it. Here you have the Reate Tribute, which is an interesting knife. It's not that big. Overall length of this one is going to be 6.7 inches with a 2.7 inch long cutting edge, and with a 3.9 inch long handle. This is a cute one, guys, a nice front flipper. It's the first time that Reate Knives is employing zirconium as a material, so really appreciate that. Of course, fit and finish is spectacular. Reate is just spoiling us with this really, really high quality. Then you've got nice carbon fiber scales, really, really cool. Pivot collar right over here and also on this side. You've got 3D machined titanium pocket clip, nice flush hardware. You've got a nice also 3D milled titanium backspacer with some geared pattern going on. Nicely done. Lanyard hold going through the backspacer and the handle. Nicely done. The bolsters are really, really flush, beautifully finished. Front flipper right over here. You can actuate, deploy the blade like that with the index, or just like this with your thumb, and it's gonna reveal this really, really cool, looks like a directional satin blade, nicely made. You've got a beautiful swedge going on, some belly, straight edge, sharpening choil, just a little bit of billboarding going on. You have a nice grip. It feels like a little bit small in my hand, but there's no hot spots. The grip is pretty solid. Action is also good, and the sound is nice and snappy, not too obtrusive, but it flies open because this guy is running on bearings and weighs in at 3.1 ounces. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.